ಮಧ್ಯದ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು. ಮಧ್ಯದ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು. Shraddha is which number? One number. Shreyas is
2 number.
Shishu is
3 number.
1, 2, 3. 1 after 2. 2 after 3. 3 before 2. 2 before
1.
This is Shreyas is between person. Between person. ಇವನು ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಇವನು ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. Which is the मध्य number? Which is the between number?
2.
बीच का नंबर कौन सा है?
2.
Very good. Clap it here. Between number is
2.
Once again, this is 4 number. Which is
1.
Shraddha is 4 number. Shreyas is 5 number. Shishu is 6 number. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. 5 after 6. 6 after 7. 7 before? 7 before? 6. 6 before? 5. Which is the between number? 5, 6, 7. Which is the between number? Which is the between number? Which is the between